In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add drop-down list inside Excel. So this is really easy to do, and the first step is we want to go to data over here, and from here we want to go to data validation, then data validation again. And now where it says allow, you want to choose value. So we want to create a list. So I'm going to select list, and in the source you want to select all your cells with the data from which you want to create the drop-down list. So I selected my fruits. I'm gonna press enter. Now if I click OK, you will see this gray arrow next to the cell. And if you click on it, you can see the drop-down list has been created. So we can choose, let's say, banana, and that's it. And you can type anything like, let's say, hello, because this value doesn't match the data validation, and it's only restricted for this list which you selected. So you can only choose from those options. So this is the first way how we can create a drop-down list inside Excel. And now I'm going to also show you one really useful trick, which is if you want to update the drop-down list automatically when you add new items in your list, you can do that by selecting all of your items, and we want to create a table from this list. So you want to go to insert, and you can click on table, or you can also use shortcut Ctrl+T on keyboard. And then you're gonna click on OK. And if you have table like this, so let's say I'm gonna add a new item, and it's going to be watermelon, like this. And now if I am going to click on this arrow in my drop-down list, you can see it's updated automatically. So I can choose from watermelon also. And you can add as many things as you want. So I can type plum, and it's going to be over here, right? Now we can also, if you, let's say if you want to create only like yes or no or true or false drop-down, you can do that simply by selecting cells. So let's say those cells are going to be for true or false. So I'm going to highlight them, and now you want to go to data, then data validation again, click on it. You want to choose list, and in the source you want to type yes, then comma, and no. Then I'm going to click on OK. And if you expand it like this, so I'm going to drag this green square in bottom corner of the cell. I'm going to drag it like this. It's going to apply for all of the cells. And now I can choose, let's say there would be some question over here. I'm going to choose yes, no, no. And this is the second way how you can create the drop down. You can also customize it. So if I open data validation, I can change it to true, false, and this is going to work same. So as you can see, and that's basically how you can quickly create drop-down list in Excel. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.